Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see a good internship for freshers from BitDegree. What all the internship details I am going to explain fully, so watch the video till end. And the course offered from BitDegree will be free web development course from online. So this is one of the good internship opportunity and a free development course in online for zero cost they are providing. Master in HTML, JavaScript, CSS for front end they are providing. Full stack developer will otherwise say as web development courses. By taking this course you will help you in regulatory learning experience. So this is what the course which you are going to see now. So watch the video till end. This is the curriculum of our course. They have provided everything with modules. 4 modules they are provided. Front end they are mentioning here for full stack development as a CSS, how basic website element becomes real. You can enroll CSS course with zero cost. Just see lively, I'm not cheating you. Just $0 they are provided here, so nothing there. For Indian currency $1 will be 74. $0 HTML courses with enroll, you can enroll with the free certificate they are providing, which will help you in updating in LinkedIn profile. And externally master in web design principle they are going to teach you, so you can visit this also. And web design courses you can enroll now. JavaScript for not only beginners, for advanced level they are teaching with zero cost. Join the learning revolution, which is by CEO of BitDegree. He is going to conduct this learning revolution part, the most efficient way to learn in the demand skill and advance your career. Gain knowledge, learn efficiency, get a free certificate. This is one of the good opportunity. You are going for Udemy and so many apps to pay 300 or 3000 to get a job, to get a certification. Sorry guys about JavaScript, HTML, CSS, but here they are providing freely. So one of the good opportunity for all freshers, those who are looking for a good job, those who are complete to get a job, and those who are ready to finish the internship for third year to upload it in your resume. They can finish this free course and put it in your resume. It will be valid and it will look like a branded resumes. So one of the good web development online course for free. So don't miss out this, and share to your juniors friends or junior students in our college. If you are passed out, if you are watching this means also, just share to your friends or juniors. It will be helpful for them. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt or registration, just contact me in the comment section. I will reply as much quickly. You can visit our channel once. You may get more idea about your life changing career moment, about interview, job opportunities, packages, everything I am explaining there. So thank you guys.